that already we have discussed while discussing about Kalamega. Okay, so Kalamega and Kirata Tikta, these are the two drugs, both are having similar properties. That is, both are having Tiktarasatmaka dravyas, and Swarupa is also it's an herb, and even the indications are also almost we are using in the same conditions. But when you got the experience, in which conditions I have to choose like Kirata Tikta, or in which condition I have to choose the Kalamega. So by experience, you will come to know that. So this Kalamega specifically, which is indicated in case of Pittajanya Vyadis, whereas Kirata Tikta, that is specifically indicated in case of Kafajanya Vyadis, like Kafajajwara. So Kirata Tikta is indicated. In case of Pittajajwara, Bunimba, that is Kalamega is indicated. Why they becomes these two drugs as controversy? So because Kalamega as well as Kirata Tikta, both are having the similar, the synonym, that is Bunimba. Bunimba. As you all know, Nimba, that is Ajadirakta indica, which is well known for its Tiktarasatmaka, Tiktarasma among the all the useful part. If you take the leaves, it is having Tiktarasa. If you take the flowers, that is also having Tiktarasa. If you take the seed, that is also having Tiktarasa. If you take the Kandatvak, that is also having Tiktarasa. If you take Nimba Mula Tvak, that is also having Kanda, this is Tiktarasa. So all the Panchangas, so every part, each and every part of the Nimba is having Tiktarasa. Here Bunimba, that is Bu means regarding the Swarupa will be very small. It is a small herb, but the rasa is as like that of Nimba plant. So that's why they used to call it as Bunimba. That is Kalamega and Kirata Tikta, both are having the properties as like that of Nimba, but the Swarupa is they are Kshupas. So that's why they used to call it as Bunimba. Okay, so because of this property, that is because of this synonym Bunimba, because of this synonyms, so many times we get confusions, or some because of this only we'll get the controversies. But you can some negatives they used to clarify that. So the Kirata Tikta, which is mainly available in the Himalayan region, whereas the Bunimba or Kalamega, which is available in the especially in the South Indian states. In South India, we are getting Andrographis paniculata, whereas in case of the Himalayan region, what we are getting, that is Kirata Tikta, that is Swirsia chiraita. So nowadays the botanical description and botanical sources they have given clearly, they have differentiated. So Kalamega and Kirata Tikta both are entirely different drugs. They are not one and the same. Even though some nigantus they have mentioned, they have as a similar, but nowadays the recent the botanist they have clearly described Andrographis paniculata is Kalamega, whereas Swirsia chiraita is Kirata Tikta. They have separately with separate family characters and botanical descriptions they have given in detail. Okay, we'll see about the drug. So this is the plant Kirata Tikta. Okay, so regarding the introduction, the identity of Kirata Tikta and the Kalamega has been controversial always, but nowadays it is they have described both are entirely different drug. Okay, but the problem is the common synonym, that is Bunimba, that I have mentioned. Kalamega and Kirata Tikta both are having the synonym as Bunimba, because the properties of Kalamega is Tiktarasa, and even the Kirata Tikta is also having more Tiktarasatmaka dravyas, but Swarupa is Kshupas. So because of this, they have given the property, the synonym as a Bunimba. So because of this synonym only, it creates a controversy. Okay, but it is now clearly identified that the former, that is Kirata Tikta, is Swirsia chiraita, and whereas the Kalamega is Andrographis paniculata. Okay. In Sivadatta Kosha, described the Kirata Tikta as a plant whose leaves are similar to Bringaraja. So please remember, in Shivadatta Kosha, it is described that how it looks, the Kirata Tikta. Kirata Tikta, the leaves resembles as like that of Bringaraja leaves, Bringaraja Patra, and possess golden yellow color flowers. And it is commonly found in the mountain areas, that is in the Himalayan region. So no need to get any confusions. So the plants which grown in the Himalayan region, so you can call it as Kiratha-tikta, that is Sphyracea chirayata. Whereas in South Indian state, what we are getting, that is Endographis paniculata. Because this Sphyracea chirayata is not available, it is not growing in these areas. It will not come. If you want to cultivate also, it will not grow here because of the climatic conditions. Okay, so in South India, what we are getting, that is Endographis paniculata itself. Okay, so it is used traditionally in the management of the Jwara and Runa. So next we'll move to the basonym. The basonym of Kiratha-tikta, Kiratha-deshe bhavaha tikta-rasaha. Kiratha-deshe bhavaha tikta-rasaha. The plants one which grows in Kiratha-desha. The plants one which grows in Kiratha-desha and which is having tikta-rasa. Which is having tikta-rasa. That is called as Kiratha-tikta. Okay, so it mainly grows in northeastern part of India. So north, Uttara Bharata, northeastern parts of India, in Kiratha-desha. So there, this plant is abundantly available and it is widely available. Widely available. So because of this, the availability, they have given the synonym as the basonym as Kiratha-tikta. Okay, Kiratha-deshe bhavaha tikta-rasaha. Among the tiktasatmaka dravyas, I think you know Panchatiktakas, Buduchi, Nimba Mulatok, Kwasa, Kantakari, Patola Patra. So we used to call them Panchatiktakas. So among these, the tiktasatmaka dravyas, the Sreshta Tiktarasa, or you can say Uttama Tiktasatmaka dravya. Which one? If anybody asked, you can say Kiratha-tikta. Kiratha-tikta is most among the tiktasatmaka dravyas. Kiratha-tikta is best drug. And even the Kalamega is also, that is also having more tiktasatmaka. So sometimes if you consume one leaf, so it may produce some people's for vomiting sensation, or vomiting also they used to occur. It is having that much of bitter in taste. So for half an hour to 1 hour, so you are unable to taste the other tastes when you eat these tiktasatmaka dravyas. That is Kalamega or Kiratha-tikta. Okay. Next we'll move to the botanical name. Sphyracea chirayata, Sphyracea chirata or chirayata. So both, and Sphyracea paniculata is also we are going to consider as the botanical source for Kiratha-tikta. So the Sphyracea name is given in honor to a Dutch botanist, E. Sphyrtia, Dutch botanist. So in honor to him, they have given the botanical name. And Chirata or Chirayata, that is the word they have taken from the Sanskrit word. Okay, like Saraka Ashoka. Ashoka, the word has taken from the Sanskrit word. Okay, Nadastach is Jatamamsi. So the word taken from the Sanskrit word. Okay, Sphyracea Chirayata or Chirata, which is belongs to Gentianaceae family. That is Kiratha-tikta kula. Sphyracea chirayata, Gentianaceae family. Next, we'll move to the vernacular names. In Hindi, it is called Chirayatha. In Hindi, it is called Chirayata. In English, Chiretta. Kannadadalli Nelabevu. See, even the Bunimba or the Kalamega, for that also we are giving the same as Nelabevu. Here it is also having the same name as Nelabevu, local name. In Kannada, we used to call it Nelabevu because of Tiktarasa, and which is having the Swarupa is, it is an herb. Because of that, we used to call it Nelabevu. Next, we'll move to the Charakokta Mahakashaya. Acharya Charaka has mentioned it under Stanya Shodhana Mahakashaya and Trushna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. Stanya Shodhana and Trushna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. Shushruta mentioned it under Aragvadadi Gana. Aragvadadi Gana. So Stanya Shodhana, I think we have already discussed. Okay. So Stanyam Dosha Dushita Stanyam Shodhayati iti Stanya Shodhanam. Dosha Dushita Stanyam. The drugs one which does the Shodhana of the Dushita Stanya. So Dushita Stanya, you will come to know what is the Stanya doshas. In the third year, Kaumara Bhritya, there are 7 types of Stanya Dushtis are there. So because of the mother, the Ahitakara Ahara and Vihara Sevana, the Rasadhatu, they used to get vitiated. So because of the vitiation of the Rasadhatu, it leads to the Dushti of the Stanya. they used to take ashraya in the sthana and produces the stanya dushti. So because of the ahitakara ahara and vihara shevana by the mother, so because of that, the child, they used to get even sometimes loose motion, vomiting, or the fever or the jwara. So they used to occur because of this stanya dushti. So before going to treat that the baby, the bala or the balaka, so first we have to treat the mother. Then only, so automatically, because during the first year or up to 6 months, usually will not give any type of food to the babies. Only they used to take the mother milk. So the loose motion or vomiting or the jwara, so that is because of the mother. So when you do the shodhana of the mother, so automatically these symptoms are going to be reduces. So many we have seen such type of the clinical the conditions. Okay, so stanya shodhana, dosha dushita stanyam shodayati stanya shodhanam. The drugs one which does the shodhana of the dushita stanya, that is called as stanya shodhana. So if you analyze the stanya shodhana mahakashaya dravyas, so almost all drugs are tiktarasatmaka dravyas. Almost all these drugs are tiktarasatmaka dravyas and shitaviryas. So what they used to do, it does the shodhana of the stanya and shodhana of the rasadhatu, raktadhatu. So by doing this, so they used to purify the stanya. Okay, so what are the drugs which are mentioned under stanya shodhana mahakashaya? That is used to mention under pata, mahaushada, suradharu, musta, murva, guduchi, vatsakafala, kiratatikaka, katurohini, ariva. So these are the some drugs. So if you analyze, if you see, almost all are tiktarasatmaka dravyas and shitaviri dravyas. Okay, so like pata, as you all know, which is belongs to the Menispermaceae family, Scisampalus parera, which is one of the tiktarasatmaka dravya. Pata, mahaushada, mahaushada is a synonym of ardraka or shunti, but which is having katurasa, ushnatikshna guna, and srotogami, which does the srotoshodhana karma. If there is any obstruction in the srotas, especially rasava srotas and stanyavaha srotas, so these srotoshodhana karma is going to be does by like the naghara. Okay, that is pata and mahaushada, suradharu. Suradharu, as you all know, this is a synonym of devadaru. Sura means like we used to call devanu devatas. That is devata, god like Indra. Sura dharu means in each stem, that is the kanda, is the useful part. Okay, sura dharu, that is the synonym of devadaru. That is citrus deodar, which is also having tiktarasatmaka dravya. So musta, mahaushada, suradharu, and the musta, murva, guduchi, vatsakafala, kiratatikta, and katurohini. So almost all the drugs are having tiktarasa. So because of tiktarasa, it does even amapachana karma and does srotoshodhana karma. So by this, they used to do, they is going to act like an stanya shodhana karmas. Okay. So next we'll move to the Trishna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. So Trishna Nigrahana. So in some conditions, even after taking the water, once again, and in another 5 minutes, the person is having, he feels like to take once again the water, even though if he consumes sufficient water. So even after 5 minutes, once again, the person is going to feel like that. So I have to drink more water and more. That is, he will not satisfied. Whatever he used to take the water, continuously he used to feel that. So it is we used to call it the conditions, Trishna. Like there are some conditions, like in case of Pitta Jwara, one of the condition, one of the lakshana is Trishna, where the person continuously he used to take the water. Okay. Trishnam nigrahanati stambhayati iti Trishna nigrahanam. This is the commentary of Gangadhara on Charaka Sutrasthana 4th chapter. Trishnam Nigrahanati Stambhayati Trishna Nigrahanam. The drugs one which mitigates the causative factors which are responsible for Trishna. The drugs one which mitigates the causative factor which are responsible for Trishna. And by that it is going to reduce the Trishna. That is called as Trishna Nigrahana Dravyas. So this is because the Trishna is because of the Ruddhi of Vata and Pitta. Trishna is because of the Ruddhi of the Vata and Pitta causes Kafakshaya. So due to this, the Mukha Shosha and Trishna occurs. There will be a dryness of the mouth. That is Mukha Shosha and Trishna, they used to occur. So Trishna Shamaka Dravyas are Vata and Pitta Shamaka. So the action of Trishna Nigrahana occurs mainly two types. That is Sthanika and Samanya. Sthanika, there is some of the drugs they used to do for by doing the Gandusha or Kavala. So by that Mukha Shosha, that is going to reduce us by doing the Kavala and Gandusha karmas. So the drugs like Nagara, Dhanvayasaka, Musta, Parpata, like almost all these Shadanga Paniya Dravyas. I think this Mustapata, Chandana, Udicha, Nagara. So so most of the Tiktrasatmaka Dravyas are also mentioned under Trishna Nigrahana Mahakashayas. Next we will move to the synonyms, Pariyaya. That is based on the availability, four synonyms: Kirata, Kairata, Anaryatikta, Haima. That is the first one, Kirata. Kirata deshe bhavaha, kirati roghaniti cha. The plants which is naturally available are abundantly available in Kirata desha. In two aspects you can take here. Kirati roghaniti, based on the karma, the drugs one which cures the diseases. That is, they used to for kirati, one which cures the diseases, and one which is grown in the Kirata Desha, Kirata Pradesha, that is northeastern part of India. So based on that, they have given the synonym as Kirataha. And another the synonym Kairataha, that is the same place, but that is Kirata Desha. Kirata Deshe Bhavaha, the plants one which is grown in Kirata Desha, that is called Kairataha. And Anaryatikthaka, in Kirata Desha, there is a one area, particular area called Anarya Kshetre. That is a specific area in Kirata Desha. Okay, Anarya Kshetre, Kirata Deshe, Bhavastikta Rasaha. The plants one which is grown in Kirata Desha, Anarya Kshetra. That is in particular area in Anarya Kshetra. So this plant, that is the Kirata Tikta, which is grown, that is which is having Tikta Rasa. Bhavahas Tikta Rasaha, which is having Tikta Rasa. The plants one which is grown in the Kirata Desha, Anarya Kshetra. That is called as Anarya Tiktaha. Haimaha. So Himavat Pradeshe Bhavaha. The plants one which grown in the Himalayan region. Himavat Pradeshe. The plants one which grows in the mountain hilly areas. Where like the cold environment will be present more. So for that they used to given the synonym as Haimaha. So I think there's one more drug, Haimavati. Haimavati is a synonym of Haritaki based on the availability. There are so many drugs are there. So make a list out the drugs which are having the same, based on the availability. So what are the drugs which are, they used to call it as Haima, Haimavati, such type of drugs you can make a list. Okay, Himavat Pradeshe Bhavaha, the plants one which is grown in the Himalayan region, that is called as Haima. Okay, there is another synonym. See, Ramasenakaha, Ramasya Shena Kirataha, Tasya Ashyam, Tasya Ayam, Tadrusho Bhava Ityartaha. So this is also based on the availability itself. The plants one which is grown in Kirata Desha, Ramasya Shena Kirataha, Tasya Ayam. Ramashenaka is also having, based on the availability, the plants one which is grown in Kirata Desha. Okay. Next, another synonym is Bunimba. That is Rushvah Kshupah Nimbatiktascha. Rushvah Kshupah Nimbatiktascha. That is the plants, Rushvah Kshupah. So it is considered among Kshupas. As you all know the definition of Kshupa. Rushva Shaka Shivah Kshupaha. Rushva Shaka Shivah Kshupaha. That is, it is a small plant. It's a small erect plant, erect herb, which is having Nimbatiktascha. The rasa of the drug is having as similar like that of Nimbha. Tikta rasa is similar or even it is more than Nimbha. That is Tikta rasa property. It is more bitter than the Nimba. Nimba Tiktascha. Nimba Sadrushaha. Okay. Bunimba. Kanda Tiktaha. Kanda Tiktaha. Kandastiktoshyaha. Actually the whole plant. Even Patra, Pushpa, Phala, Kanda, Mula. So all the parts, all the Panchangas. So all are Tiktarasatmaka. Specifically they used to mention even the Kanda is also having Tiktarasa. Okay. Kanda is also having Tiktarasa. Kanda Tiktaha. So based on the availability, there are 5 synonyms. Okay. See, Kirata, Kairata, Anarya Tikta, Haima, Ramasenaka. And based on the resemblance, Bunimba and properties, Kanda Tiktaha. Okay, so this is the plant which is grown in the Himalayan region. So you can differentiate the morphological difference between Kalamega and Bunimba. So it is almost similar, the resemblance. Both are having kshupas, but the base of the stem is cylindrical in shape, whereas the young shoots of the main stem towards the apex, which is quadrangular in nature. And the leaves are like Brungaraja Patra Sudrushaha. Brungaraja Patra Sudrushaha. So this is actually Andrographis paniculata. Okay, so this is Kirata Tikta, Swircia Chiraita. So I will show some more pictures. So it is not clear in this picture. So it is almost a Brungaraja Patra Sadrusha. The leaves are, it looks like similar. That is lanceolate. The shape of the leaf is lanceolate. See here. Sorry. So this is type of leaf is simple leaf. Type of leaf is simple leaf. And so you can observe the stem is quadrangular stem. Quadrangular stem. And type of leaf is simple. Arrangement of the leaf is opposite and decussate. See, this is the lower pair, this is the upper pair. This is right angle to the lower one. So arrangement of leaf is opposite decussate. Here you can observe this is the branch. So this is the leaf. So from the axillary region, there is an axillary bud they used to develop as an another branch or the leaves. Okay, so that's why I used to call it. It is a type of leaf as simple leaf. So type of leaf is simple, arrangement is opposite decussate, and shape is lanceolate. And also you can see it is broadest at the middle and tapering towards the base as well as apex. So based on this character, you can call it an elliptic also. So elliptic or lanceolate. Elliptic and lanceolate shape, entire margin, and acute apex. Shortly, apex is acute, and shortly you can say acuminate also. Entire margin. Okay, so these are the botanical source. So this is another picture which is the plants which are grown in by the method of tissue culture method. With the help of tissue culture method, these are the procedures they used to follow during tissue culture method. So you can observe how they used to cultivate in the laboratories with the help of tissue culture method. So you can take about the Swarupa. So it is a perennial herb, Bahuvarshayu Kshupa. It is a perennial herb, that is Bahuvarshayu Kshupa. Stem is 2 to 4 feet height. Stem is 2 to 4 feet height and has many branches. Stem is having many branches. About the leaves. So type of leaf is simple. Arrangement of the leaf is opposite and decussate. Opposite decussate. And The shape is lanceolate. Lanceolate means length will be compared to the width 2 to 3 times more longer than the width. And also it is broadest at the middle, tapering towards the base as well as apex. So based on that character, we used to consider it under as elliptic. Okay, so shape is lanceolate or even elliptic, and apex is acute, and size of the lamina 10 centimeter long, 10 centimeter long, and width is 4 centimeter. Width is 4 centimeter, and margin is entire, and petiole is short, very short petiole will be present. So depending upon flowers and depending upon the botanical sources, the colors of flowers are changes. Okay, so here you can observe the inflorescence of Kirathaticta, Swircia chiraita, the inflorescence. So this is another the picture you can observe.